I have never seen a tractor with a V8 engine like this one. Looks like it belongs there, but never seen another. The Cat 660 is a V8 engine, which is certainly powerful as well. A skilled operator runs a large machine well. The Cat is a great bulldozer, and it's awesome. Awesome. This is how Bulldozer Dam was built in the 70s in Eastern Par. My dad was part of the many that helped. He would tell me about a quad 9 setup, wherefore would be used in tandem. Very cool to see that since I was born in early 70s and couldn't see it. Process D6 Caterpillar bulldozer to clear the ground. The wild plants will be quickly knocked down. Komatsu 475 clearing fencelines using GPS on a cattle station in the Northern Territory. A skilled operator well runs a Komatsu D475 a bulldozer across Moonlight Creek. With a weight of exactly 100 tons, I think it passed the weight limit of the bridge and had to be driven across the stream.
The Caterpillar mining truck lost control and lay on its side on the side of the road. Very soon the site rescue team arrived to rescue.
The truck is pulled by a strong cable, and the loader also helps to pull the vehicle out of the deep hole. It's very dangerous for a rescue team to stand near a stretched cable. I don't support them doing this while they don't have a helmet. I'm wondering why this bulldozer is stuck in this obvious mud pit. But thanks to this incident we realized the great work of an excavator. I am very impressed with your efforts. You are a good expert in rescue. TS, great to see the bulldozer back up and running once again. Hopefully it won't face similar situations. Cat D9 are with Flamsteed equipment drive and stick rake attachment clearing scrub in the outback with ease. D90, 9M chain bar fitted with DC72, Hawkeye disc chain, tackles the harshest of Western Australia's saltbush effectively in a single pass. Aerial drone footage of a Komatsu D275 and a Komatsu D85 are pulling a scrub chain between for some broad-scale clearing. The power of two machines JD950, LGP vs old Cat D8H. Skilled machine operator removes his Cat D6N from creep.
Throw rocks down in there to him.
This D9 was fully restored in 2000 and this is the first time running since the restoration, and I was lucky enough to drive it.